Hello, I'm David, and once again, I'd like to welcome you to this course, the full JavaScript and ES6 tutorial, including ES7 and React. I'm so excited to share what I've built with you all to give you an in-depth exploration of JavaScript, ES6, and beyond. Now, I spent a lot of time thinking about the content for this course, and I ended up taking a lot of inspiration from what I built by winning a few hackathons, my readings and research online, and of course what I gained while studying computer science at the University of San Francisco. Now, I made sure to diversify the content with a lot more than just videos. There's coding exercises, quizzes, animated presentations, and even articles for coding breaks, so that way you can keep the course going at a comfortable pace according to your learning. Now, I really hope the multiple number of teaching methods really keeps a course fun and stimulating for you, and I'll let you in on a secret right now. I sprinkled in a joke or two from time to time to keep things really fun. Alright, Udemy has been such an awesome resource for me while learning, so I wanted to share what I know with you guys. With that being said, thank you so much, and I can't wait to code with you all.